Hey second graders, it's Mrs. Brink again, and today I'm going to show you how to log into your Epic account. Now when you are actually looking at this slide, this video that I'm making right now will be here above this number 1. The first thing I want you to do is watch this video so you can learn about what you're going to do. The next step, number 2, click where it says log on to our Class Epic account. And it will bring you to this screen. Now, this first part is for parents, which you are not, so don't click on that. You're going to click where it says students and educators. See how there's a person on a desk? It's like a student. Oh, and let's see, let me pause real quick. Sorry, guys. Okay, so when you click on that part that says students, you'll come here and you'll put in your class code. This was sent home on that sheet of paper in your supplies bag that has all your login information. So look for the thing that says Epic. You'll enter in your code and it will let you come in. And then if you're in Miss Douglas's class or Miss Drake's class or Miss Boyle's class, it's going to say, welcome to your class. And then you're going to have to search for yourself. And I made one for myself in my classroom. So I'm Abby B. I'll click on my name and then it brings me into my Epic account. And then I can start to explore. Once you are inside your Epic account, you can click here with the binoculars. It lets you explore some things. They pull up topics, like if you like books about pets or sports, fantasy, mystery, there's all sorts of things. And you can click and you can just kind of scroll down and see what different things there are. I know I love Mercy Watson, so I can click on it and I can start to read this book. If I want to add it, I can click this heart and it adds it to my library as a favorite. So your job is to get onto Epic, to explore, to find books that you are going to enjoy and to read them. If you have questions, let your teacher know. Awesome. Enjoy reading.